student. Today in this video I will explain urea cycle. The urea cycle is the first metabolic pathway to be elucidated. This cycle is also known as Krebs-Henselt urea cycle. Ornithine is the first member of the reaction. It is also called as ornithine cycle. Urea is synthesized in liver and transported to kidney for excretion in urine. The two nitrogen atoms of urea are derived from two different sources, one from ammonia and other directly from the alpha amino group of aspartic acid. Carbon atom of urea is supplied by carbon dioxide. The urea is the end product of protein metabolism, which is known as amino acid metabolism. Urea cycle, it initiates with the presence of carbon dioxide and ammonia. Urea synthesis is a five-step cyclic process with five distinct enzymes. So first two enzymes which are used for the urea cycle are present in mitochondria while the rest are localized in cytosols. Carboxyl phosphate synthase first of mitochondria catalyze the condensation of ammonium ion with carbon dioxide to form carbonyl phosphate. This step consumes 2 ATP and is reversible and rate limiting. It also requires N-acetyl glutamate for its activity. So in next step, citrulline is synthesized from carbonyl phosphate and ornithine by the enzyme ornithine transcarbamylase. This citrulline produced in this reaction is transported to cytosol by a transporter system. Next enzyme arginosuccinate synthase enzyme condenses citrulline with aspartate to produce arginosuccinate. This step requires ATP for which is claimed to AMP and pyrophosphate. Arginosuccinase also claims arginosuccinate to give arginine and fumarate. Arginine is a precursor for urea, and it is the arginase is the fifth and final enzyme that cleave arginine to yield urea and ornithine. Energetics of urea cycle. The overall reaction may be summarized as NH3 plus carbon dioxide plus aspartate. It gives urea and fumarate. Two ATPs are used in the first reaction. Another ATP is converted to AMP and inorganic pyrophosphate in the third step, which is equivalent to 2 molecules of ATPs. The urea cycle consumes 4 high energy phosphate bond. Fumarate formed in the fourth step may be converted to malate. When oxidized to oxalo state produce 1 molecule of NADH, which is equivalent to 2.5 molecules of ATP. So net energy expenditure is only 1.5 high energy phosphate. The urea cycle and TCA cycle are interlinked and it is called urea bicycle. Of urea cycle. Toxic ammonia is converted into toxic urea. Next, synthesis of semi-essential amino acid arginine. Next, ornithine is precursor of proline, polyamines. Next, polyamines have diverse role in cell growth and proliferation, and it include spermidine and spermine. Regulation of urea cycle. Carbonyl phosphate synthase first enzyme is a rate limiting enzyme in urea cycle and it is allosterically activated by NAD. It is synthesized from glutamate and acetyl CoA by synthase and degraded by a hydrolase. The rate of urea synthesis in liver is correlated with the concentration of N-acetyl glutamate. Formation and degradation pathway of N-acetyl glutamate. Of arginine increase NAC and the consumption of protein-rich meal increase the level of NAC in liver, leading to enhanced urea synthesis. CPS first and GDH enzymes are present in mitochondria. They coordinate with each other in the formation of ammonia and its utilization for carbonyl phosphate synthesis. Next, disorders of urea cycle. The main function of urea cycle is to remove toxic ammonia from blood as urea. Defects in the metabolism of conversion of ammonia to urea, that is urea cycle, lead to hyperammonemia or ammonia intoxication. The first disorder is hyperammonemia. It is an inherited disorder of urea cycle enzyme family hyperammonemia. It is an acquired disorder, liver disease, severe renal disease, acquired hyperammonemia. Next, ammonia toxicity. In, in ammonia toxicity, increased level of ammonia crosses blood-brain barrier and formation of glutamate is seen. More utilization of alpha-ketoglutarate. Decreased level of alpha-ketoglutarate in brain. Alpha-ketoglutarate is a key intermediate in TCA cycle. Decreased level impairs TCA cycle. Decreased ATP production. In next reaction, alpha-ketoglutarate combined with ammonia and form glutamate in the presence of glutamate dehydrogenase enzyme. In this process, reduced form of NADP positive, that is NADPH plus H plus, convert into NADP positive, or we can say that reduced form of NADP positive uh, will re- uh, will release hydrogen ions to alpha ketoglutarate to form glutamate. Next disorder, hepatic coma. It is also known as acquired hyperammonemia. In disease of liver, hepatic failure can finally lead to hepatic coma and death. Hyperammonemia is the characteristic feature of liver failure. This condition is also known as portal systemic encephalopathy. Normally, the ammonia and other toxic compounds produced by intestinal bacterial metabolism are transported to liver by portal circulation and detoxified by liver. But when there is a portal systemic shunting of blood, the toxins bypass the liver and their concentration in systemic circulation rises. These are the inherited disorders of urea cycle. There are five disorders. Name of the disorders are hyperammonemia first, hyperammonemia second, citrullinemia, arginosuccinic aciduria, and arginemia. In first disorder, hyperammonemia first is caused due to defect in carbamoyl phosphate synthetase first enzyme. And in this disorder, due to defect in the enzyme, ammonia product is accumulated. Second disorder, hyperammonemia second, is caused due to ornithine transcarbamylase defect, enzyme defect. And in this disorder, same accumulation of ammonia is seen. In citrullinemia, our defect citrullinemia is caused due to defect in argininosuccinate synthetase enzyme. Arginosuccinic aciduria disorder is caused due to arginosuccinate lyase enzyme. Next, arginemia disorder is caused due to arginase enzyme. It is diagnosed by increased level of ammonia in blood and urine, increased glutamine in CSF, which is excreted in urine, decreased blood urea level, urea cycle intermediate accumulate in blood and excreted in urine.